Please subscribe to my channel and watch the video. Thank you. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So any birthday coming soon and you don't have a cake tray? No problem. So today I'm going to tell you how you can make your own cake tray by just two things which everyone has at their homes. So here I have taken an ice cream cup. You can take any ice cream cup or a wine glass. Ice cream cup is better because of its shape. And as you can see, it's useless for me now because its paint has worn off. So yeah, and here I'm taking a circular tray that is used for keeping any fried item or anything like that. It's not necessary that you take the same one. I like its shape. You can take a large plate if you don't have a tray. Everyone has a large circular plate at their homes. So now we are going to paint the ice cream cup. As you can see, I'm painting it in silver because my theme is silver for my birthday decoration, and I'm going to paint all of it so that it looks as new and matches my theme. You can paint it in any color. uh, yeah, I'm not going to paint the cake tray that I'm going to put on top of it because sometimes while you're cutting cake it does fell on the tray and you have to wash it. So when you are going to wash the tray, the paint will come out, so you have to be careful. So I'm just going to paint the base of it. As you can see, it has been painted and now I'm going to let it dry. So now it's dried now. So here I'm applying hot glue gun to seal it, to seal the tray over it. Yeah, just apply it at the corners where you are going to put the plate or your tray over it. So as you can see, I've applied the glue on it and now I'm putting the tray in inverted form because this gives exactly the look like a cake tray looks. So yeah, if you don't have a tray like this, no problem, you can use any other plate, any large plate or any tray that is circular. And now we have our cake tray ready. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.